Hi, and so this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a text on CapCut website. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So of course when you open your browser, just go to the URL section and type capcut.com and hit the enter button. That will not take you into this page if it's your first time. So of course it will take you into another page, and from that page you can actually download the CapCut application if you want to have it on your PC. You'll find even a video on this channel on how to do that if you are interested, or you can just start using it on a browser, which is the left option. And once you click on that, they will ask you to log in into your account, or if you don't have an account, you'll need to create a new one. Of course you can create your account with a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So of course once you actually create your account and log in into it, or you just log in into your account, simply just go and click at the blank canvas right here, or you can just choose some of your recent projects. For me, I'm just going to click at blank canvas, and I'll need to wait until it loads correctly a bit. So of course if you have it on your PC, you will not need to wait any like loads or anything, because it's much smoother if you have it on your PC. So of course once actually I have this page, I'm just going to upload a small video right here to show you how to actually you can add a text on it. For me, I'm just going to drag now this video that I uploaded right here, and as you can see, if I want to add a text, simply only just go here and click at the text option. Then I'm just going, of course you can choose any of this text if you want, but for me I'm just going to add the default one. Click at plus, and as you can see, here is our text. I can move it, I can even edit the text in the right, and as you can see I can even move it, make it bigger, make it smaller, and I'm going to be good to go after I hit the export button. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.